Today I'm going to be installing MBRP's 3-inch Installer Series dual split exit exhaust on our 2014 Silverado with the 5.3 liter. It's currently one of the most affordable available for your Silverado. You could spend a bit more for a 409 or a 304 stainless system, but either way you're getting the same great sound from MBRP. MBRP's Installer Series is a great option if you're looking for an affordable cat pack that's going to give you a nice bump in sound. It's not going to be over the top, so I'll be giving it 3 out of 5 on our loudness meter. This is a direct fit cat pack and expected to take about 2 hours to finish. Our first step in removing the old exhaust is to spray all of the rubber hangers and clamps with some lubricant. With your exhaust lubricated, use a 13mm socket to loosen the clamp behind the catalytic converter. Located right here. Slide the clamp out of the way. I'm going to use an exhaust hanger removal tool to remove the stock exhaust from all of the rubber hangers. Before removing the last rubber hanger, support the exhaust with a pole jack or have an assistant help you. Now that we have our stock exhaust off our truck, this is a great opportunity to compare it to our MBRP kit. If you see here, MBRP kit is going to bolt right in place of our stock exhaust, even though it is a dual side exit. If we're looking at the muffler, MBRP's is a smaller, more of a direct flow muffler that's going to give us our increase in volume. After the muffler, it splits off to our 2 tailpipes, and those tailpipes are going to lead to 304 stainless tips. Those tips are going to keep its polished finish for life, unlike our stock exhaust, which is starting to corrode and pit. With our stock exhaust removed, you're going to install MBRP's extension pipe onto your catalytic converter. You're going to utilize the stock clamp that we loosened before. Slide your clamp down. And then tighten with a 13mm socket. Before you install your muffler, slide on the 3-inch clamp with the hanger attached and install it to the stock rubber hanger. And then tighten your clamp with a 15mm socket. With your extension pipe in place, slide on your 3-inch clamp. And then slide on your MBRP muffler. Slide your clamp onto the muffler. With your muffler in place, slide on 2 clamps. So we can slide on our over axle pipes. Take your first pipe, slide it in, and then place it into the rubber hanger. Take your second over axle pipe, slide it in, and attach to the rubber hanger. Before we can install our tailpipe, we have to install our hanger bracket. It's going to be located in our frame right at this hole here. Place your bolt and your spacer through the hole. Install your bracket, your spacer. With our hanger in place, we're going to take our tailpipe and slide our clamp on and onto our over axle pipe. And then push it through the hanger that we just installed. Slide your clamp onto your tailpipe and then place it onto your over axle pipe. And place in your stock rubber hanger. With your tailpipes in place, we can now install our tips. You're just going to place it onto your tailpipe, place it as far back as you want, and then tighten with an 8mm Torx bit. And then move on to the other side. Slide your tailpipe on, tighten with 8mm Torx. With our exhaust in place, we're now going to check for fitment and go along the length of exhaust to check for exhaust leaks and to tighten all of our clamps. That wraps up my review and install of MBRP's 3-inch Installer Series dual split exit exhaust. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.